Khyber Police Authority have issued a new directive regarding the uses of social media by police personnel. Policemen have been barred from uploading their picture and selfie and uniform on social media. According to DPO Khyber, the police uniform represent an officer official status and should not be used for personal promotion. In a notification issued by DPO Khyber Waqar Ahmad, policemen have been directed to refrain from posting, photographing, and uniform as such activity could use be for personal promotion. According to notification, the police uniform represents the official status of a police officer. Therefore, photographer and uniform should only be used in a connection with official duty and activity. The DPO has directed all subordinate officer and personnel to strictly follow the instruction and maintain due respect for official police uniform. The directive came at a time when some Khyber police personnel are staging a protest came in Jam Road demanding the introduction of a service structure. Police authorities say the official uniform should represent the four duties and responsibility rather than being used for personal promotion.
Did you know that the movie approved by the federal government can be still banned in its own home province? This is the bizarre reality for the ghost schools. It is clear for Karachi's cantonment but completely blocked by the Sindh government. To understand this development, Pakistan Connect reached out to Yusuf Rahman, the producer of the film Ghost School, to hear what he has to say and what he expects next.
जो सिंध मोशन पिक्चर्स एक्ट 2011 है उसके तहत किसी भी फिल्म को सेंसर देने या ना देने के स्पेसिफिक लीगल ग्राउंड्स हैं. मिसाल के तौर पे रिलीजन, नेशनल सिक्योरिटी, इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस, मोरालिटी, वल्गैरिटी, इनके खिलाफ अगर कोई बात हो रही है तो फिर सेंस बनता है फिल्म को सर्टिफिकेट ना देने का. मगर हमारी फिल्म ऐसी कोई भी चीज़ नहीं है, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है. अगर होती तो जो उनका रिजेक्शन लेटर था उसमें वाज़ेह तौर पे ये पॉइंट्स मेंशन होते हैं, मगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. हमें उम्मीद है कि इस प्रोसेस के थ्रू एक फेयर और ट्रांसपेरेंट डिसीजन सामने आएगा और हमारी फिल्म को वही मौका दिया जाएगा जो हमें पंजाब बोर्ड में और सेंट्रल बोर्ड में दिया गया है.
The Sindh Board of Film censored the movie without providing any legal reason. The filmmakers took the fight to the Sindh High Court, urging the ban violates the Sindh Motion Picture Act, since the film doesn't threaten national security or public order. In court, judges reprehended the censor board secretary for hiding information, even jokingly asking if they are scared of actual ghosts. Despite winning international awards for highlighting Pakistan's girls' education crisis, local audience are blocked from watching. Now the Sindh High Court has given the board to strict 2-week deadline to review the ban. This is Pakistan Connect. Follow for more.